Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your open source applications, installation, and basic configuration. Okay guys, for today we're going to continue our tutorial regarding the Fusion PBX. Once again, if you like my video, can you please like and share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on our latest video. Okay guys, so for today, our next tutorial is how to make or configure the inbound call or the incoming for the incoming. So for now, you're going to need to log into your Fusion PBX. So this is the Fusion PBX right now. And then we already have a gateway for our provider, which is the Twilio. So, and then we already create an extension to receive the call or to make also the outgoing call that I show you on the last video. Okay, so today we're going to continue to add the inbound or the inbound routes or the destination, and then you can click the inbound, or you can add, and then this is the you can select if outbound or inbound. Okay, so this is the you can add the number here or the DID country code if you are using the country code for the US one, for the Philippines +63 +61, because Twilio they are using E164 number, so they required a plus sign before to make the call or to receive also the call. Okay, so for today we're going to continue this. So we need to go back to our Twilio account. So this is our Twilio account. So from this Elastic, you need to go back to your Elastic SIP Trunk and then manage, and then click your trunks. Okay, so that you can see your trunks here. And then click your create trunks before, because we are already created the trunk, so we have already here our Fusion PBX. Okay, and then you need to go to your origin. So this is the origin, so you can add your IP here, so you can go in to check what the required settings. Okay, so it said IP, then it's only IP, but we need to check our SIP status for our Fusion. So from the Fusion PBX, to receive the external call from the external to Fusion PBX, so we need this zip. So this will be we use this one. Okay, so this is my IP. So we're going to go back here. We can add an our origin URL. So zip that one, and then 5080. Okay, so add. So priority 1, weighing 1:1. Okay, then I can add another to be sure. Zip, it should be the 5060 2:2. Okay, so okay, that may be a code. Okay. Then the number. So you need to add the number. Okay. Add existing number. You can click the existing number. Yes, so I can copy my number, then add selected number. Sorry, I forgot to link the number from Twilio to my origin from the trunk. Okay, so I need to go back again here. Okay, so this one the number. Okay, so we have okay, and then go back to the Fusion PBX. For the country code, you can use the +1 destination. So okay, that's correct. And then the action. So this will be your action. Where did you want to route the call? Once you receive the incoming call. Okay. So for me, we're going to route the call to, for example, because I don't, you need to set up the extension and the usage voice. If they are using a box, you can select and text. Okay. Okay. So if you want to record the call, you can set through here. So if you want to assign to agent user, you can select also that. Okay. So this will be my test DID. Okay. Then save. Okay. And then you can try if able to get the call. Okay, so for that you need to get the IP of the Fusion or your Twilio server. So from that Twilio IP. Check here. Oh, let me go back to my termination. I need to check my gateway. Studio. Last one. Okay, I can copy this one. Then to get their IP, so I can use pin MP. So this will be the IP of the video. Signaling, media signaling as per. Let me check so that I can allow from. Okay, so this is all the IPs. So we need to add these IPs to our Fusion PBX. So from here, you can copy this one and go back to your Fusion PBX. Go to the access control. Okay, so from here, you can click the domain and click the allow. So you can /24, you can put the name, Twilio, and save. And you can add another IP. This one. Allow. You can put the /24 copy.net Twilio. Then you can add more. Okay, 20261. So this one 2621. Okay, that's okay for now. So I'm going to modify it later. Sleep. Then save. Okay, so then you can try if on the originating, we're going to try to make a call or make a test call from here. So let me check our. So let's check our monitoring. Nice. Course. SIP course. Check. So from source, so we need to add this 5064. Let me check the access control again. Yeah, it's already there because this one. But I want to try this one. Or we can go to the city status. We can remove the XML. And then the destination. Okay, so we can set for now if I set to voicemail. Okay. Okay, and then we can ready to make a test call. Okay, so as you can see, if I try to make a test call, but this is it show like this one. So, okay, so plus 176, it's busy because, and then I need to create or I will need to check my destination. We try to edit this one. So if I can put only one here. So and then plus sign over enter. Let us see. So it will goes to a voicemail. So I put the voicemail box here. Let's see. Let me try again to make a call. So the call is in passing, but it did not land to the nothing to repeat plus. Okay, so let me try again. Okay, so going to back to our Fusion. So maybe we can remove this one. Then we can put the plus one over there. Only one. Let's see. And then go to the load the SQL again. And then going to make a test code. See temporary unavailable. Okay, so okay. Okay, so I will try now to add the phone to the okay, sorry for, let me see if call is passing to my swiper. Okay. Okay, this is my, check my extension. Okay. And then go back again to your Fusion software. So we're going to set to the extension test. Okay. As you can see, I can receive the call from my number. Hello, hello. Hello, test. Hello. Yeah, I can hear the sound both of the test call. Okay, so if I mute now my mic here. Hello? Hello, hello? Yeah, it's okay. They have a feedback, but it's still working. Okay? So, we need to only route the call. Just add the country code and no need to add the plus on the incoming. And then the destination number and your DID number. Okay, so we have successfully again set up, and also don't forget to add the ACL or the list of IP address of the Twilio, especially Twilio. You can add here on the access control so that the incoming will be allowed. Okay, so and okay, so we have successfully created, and then you can create if you want to make an upload some IVR. You can create an IVR from here. You can create an IVR, so you can add an IVR. Okay, so from here, so next video we will tackle this how to create an IVR and point to your DID number, how to what you call this, how to set a ring group, and how to set time conditions. Okay, and also what is the follow me. So follow me is just like a call forward. So for example, if my extension is not available, if my extension is busy, you can put some extension or any other phone number here. If no answer, you can forward to external number, or you can put also to the other external number. Okay, so we going to also tackle on the next video. So for now, we have successfully set up or installed or configured the incoming call. So from our Twilio, so we only create here originating. So we create an originating here. So we had the zip, then your PBX server or your Fusion server with the port 5080, because that's the incoming port for the Fusion PBX that can communicate to from Twilio to Fusion PBX. Okay, and then you need to add your available DID from the track. So you can click, then add your existing number. So if you have an existing number here, you can select, then add selected number. So after that, you need to go to your Fusion PBX, click the destination. You can add your click the add, and then type inbound country code. You can put 1, and then your complete DID number, okay, without the area code or country code. Okay, and then action, it should be if you want to route to extension, ring group, call menu, etc., etc. Okay, so for now you cannot see any call menu or ring group here, so we can set up that later on the next video. And from here, if you want to record the call, you can set to true. And the usage, if you want to use for voice only, you can click the voice only. If you want to use for fax, you can click the fax. Text, you can click the text. Okay, and then you can put your name for your DID if you want, and then click save. After that, you can wait a few minutes and then make a test call, and if the call is passing to your Fusion PBX. Okay, so for today, that's all for now. So thank you again for subscribing and following my channel, HBT Tutorials. So once again, this is HBT Tutorial for your basic installation, setup, and configuration from some open source applications. Thank you guys, and have a nice day, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.